Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how machine learning model training works using something all of us know very well, making chapathis. Yes, machine learning becomes super easy when you think of it like cooking. Let's begin. The first step is data set or in chapathi dough. Imagine you are making chapathis. The first thing you need is dough. Similarly, in machine learning, the first thing we need is data. Just like good dough leads to soft chapati, good quality data leads to good machine learning model. If the dough is too dry or too wet, your chapatis will not come out well. Likewise, if your data has missing values, errors or noise, your model will not perform well. Next step, initial model or first chapati attempt. Now you take a small dough ball and start rolling it. The first chapati is almost always uneven, not round or not perfect. This is exactly the same like the first prediction of a machine learning model. When we first initialize a model, its predictions are usually wrong or random. This initial mistake is called the loss. Next step is iterations. In machine learning we call epochs. So how we going to roll the dough ball again and again? It's the same way. To improve the chapati, what do? You roll again, adjust it and roll again, and slowly it becomes better. The machine learning works exactly the same way. Every time the model makes mistake, it receives the feedback from the loss function. Then it adjusts itself a little bit, just like correcting the pressure while rolling. So one roll is one training iteration. Rolling many times means multiple epochs in machine learning. So with each iteration, the chapati becomes more round. The same way, the model becomes more accurate. For each and every iteration, we say epoch. Instead of saying iteration, we say epoch. E-P-O-C-H-S, epoch. The next step is optimizer in the machine learning. In the chapati making, the rolling pin technique. The rolling pin is your optimizer. If you press too hard, the chapati becomes long. If you press too lightly, it does not spread. Same in machine learning, we use an optimizer called learning rate. If the learning rate is too high, the model overshoots. If the learning rate is too low, the model improves very slowly. Just like you learn the right rolling technique, in machine learning, the optimizer learns the right adjustment. Next step is hyperparameters in machine learning. In chapati making, dough consistency. If the dough is too tight, the chapati tears. If it is too soft, the chapati becomes sticky to the roller. This is like a machine learning hyperparameters. In machine learning, we have so many hyperparameters like batch size, learning rate, a number of layers, regularization. These are the hyperparameters which we are going to use in your machine learning. If they are not set right, your model either overfits or underfits. Like perfect dough is perfect hyperparameters. That's the best analogy. Next step is convergence, means getting a perfect chapati. Getting a perfect convergence in machine learning. Finally, after enough adjustment and practice, you get a round, fluffy chapati, right? Yes, in same way, in machine learning training, after enough epochs or iterations, the loss becomes minimum. The model becomes stabilizes. And the training reaches convergence. Right? The final perfect chapati will be equal to the final trained model in other side. And that's how machine learning training works, just like rolling chapatis. If you love this analogy, hit like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.